Okay, client asked me to fix this picture frame, and what happens is the clips disappeared or stopped working. So I found these wall plugs, and they're just the right height. And actually there's a little groove there. You can get them right in that groove. And then all I've done is I've just taken a little bit of hot glue and put some hot glue on each side of it. The trick with this thing is making sure you get the glue up on that blue thing, that wall plug. And then that's it. Go around ever how many you want. And then depending on the frame, these come in different sizes. You can see this gray one's a lot bigger. I just bought these this morning for another job, and I thought, oh, but I was thinking about it anyway. So whatever size, there's yellow, brown, red, and your hot glue gun from Screwfix. It's the Titan.